Hello, welcome back to Capsim 2025, the top 10 winning tips. This video gives the details, guide and tip for round 4 to win the top result. I show you the detail now. So you have completed the first 3 rounds, top 7, top profit, you can see the result, right? And check the video of round 1 and round 2 and round 3 to see the details. Now I guide you to set decision for round 4 to win the top result on round from 4 to 8, right? So we continue to update the product for round 4. From round 4 it's easy. We have top 7 top profit when new product started selling selling well, right? So we update the product, right? This round 4, so keeps update the product. It's quite easy, right? Again, you do not copy the number and paste the number may change from student to student, from round to round, so you keep the strategy. You can use the strategy here always a win, but the number may be changed from student to student, from game to game. Sometimes they are the same, but sometimes different, so you need to be careful. If you're not sure, you check the industry condition report or review the video of round 1 to 3, or send me the message, right? You will see the details, right? Or send me the message, I will check that for you, right? So continue with round 4, right? We just update the number. It's quite easy because you have the right strategy from round 1, 2 and 3, and now you have 3 top selling product, right? 3 new product now started selling, so to bring you the top 7 top profit. So just update the product, 3 new product here, the right strategy right from round 1, right? Now we go to the set decision for the marketing. For the marketing, we just keep update the product, but now top 4 we can have better strategy. We reduce $1, not just 50 cents, so we can sell much better than all the competitor, right? So round 4 you can reduce $1, right? You see on the screen to keep track of the price for 4 hours, right? You see that now you have only this round you can reduce by $1 to gain the top 7 top profit right from now. And you very strong promotion and sale to budget 2,000 for all the products right now, right? Next round we can reduce back to 1,400, but our top 4 is a turning around round, so we can do that very strong strategy, right? Now we are going to set the decision for sale forecast. Again, you can use this report of round 4, right? Report the number 4, right? So we have the unit result here and inventory, so we can use that to calculate the sale forecast. We now calculate the sale forecast for round 4, right? We use the report and now we use the same way to. You can check the video of round 1, 2 and 3 for more details, right? This round 4 now just keep the similar, but round 4 we can add 20% for the sale forecast to make sure we have enough to sell, right? So we now input that into the game for round 4 sale forecast here, right? So we just input that, right? 1811. Again, do not copy the number. I show you the strategy. You can use the number from your game. If you are not sure, send the email, right? Or check the video part 1 to make sure how to use the industry condition report to update the free sale file here, right? But do not just copy the number to put that into the game, right? Because number may change from student to student, from game to game, right? Sometimes they are the same, but sometimes different. The strategy here, you should learn the strategy here, because this strategy always win with top sale and top profit, but do not copy the number. And now I show you to put in the number for the production. We have the sale forecast here, and you have inventories here, so we just put in the production schedule here, right? 1 to 69, 3737, right? And as you see, again, do not ever copy the number and paste into the game without understanding, because number may change a little bit from game to game, from student to student, right? And so this strategy always win, so you can always use the strategy, but do not copy the number, right? I show you the method, the way, and explain how to do it, why you do it, but do not copy the number. Now you increase automation to set the cost, right? This round 4 we increase automation, right? 10 for low end, 8 for traditional, and for the other segment, right? We check the regulate to check the budget here we have, right? We still have a lot of budget, so we increase capacity here. We know that we have very high demand, so we increase the capacity, right? Again, we need to check the total budget here to make sure you have enough. So we adjust a little bit, right? Okay, we increase by 400, so we will have enough budget. And now we adjust the production 200% of our capacity, right? 200% our capacity. So it's easy from round 4 because we have right strategy right from round 1, so just keep moving. And for HR, you see that if you have decision here, you spend 5,080 hours for recruitment and training, and for the finance, we don't have to issue the stock if you want, and you pay some very small sum. That's for the short term, current dash, and also long term 41,000 here, right? So we calculate that you have enough budget here, you can avoid stock out. So we check the income statement. Now we started having very high sales and very high contribution margin and good percentage of net profit, right? So to review all the decision of round 4 now, we have round 4 here. I just show you all the decision from R&D user free cell file to calculate R&D add new product in round 3. We have done that in round 1 to 3, and now we set the price, we update the product, we set the price, calculate the sales forecast, calculate production, add new capacity, adjust automation, right? And we are going to have top result. I show you now. So you will see the result on round 4. We have top result here, much higher than all the other competitors, and top profit here, and top cumulative net profit here, right? So that's the top result, the right strategy, right? So again, you see the top result of round 4. We have very high sales, 27% of market share, right? Much higher than all the other competitors, right? From next round, our stop price will go up like this. Each round, double sale and double profit. So you have learned all the lesson for each round, but it's very important each round. You win the game, but you understand all the decision you make, right? What decision to make for each round, what report to read, what part of report more important than others, how to update the product, how to set the prices, how to calculate the sales forecast, when to buy and sell inventory, how to set decision for production, and how to set decision for HR, finance, and TQM. If you have any question, you can send the email, right? Get the free support for round 1 and round 2. And send decision for you, and you can check and review and win the game and learn the lesson from that. Thank you for watching.